So this music is about education as well, you know, it's not just entertainment, you know. So we say no matter what you're going through today, any heartaches, any pain, any tribulations, any trials, you know. We want to dedicate this next song to our tour manager's mom going through open heart surgery right about now. Our prayers go with her, you know. Because we know that everything, every little thing's going to be all right. Music. If you believe it's gonna be alright, so let's see you waving. All the way in the back. Here we go, y'all. Wave hands. Wave hands. Sing along. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. We're singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with your rising sun. Three little birds, bits from a dozen. Sing sweet songs, my melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with your rising sun. Three little birds, bits from a dozen. Sing sweet songs, our melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. We're singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. All my believers, Wailers, Wailers. Whoa, whoa. Wailers some more. Everybody, Wailers, Wailers. Whoa, whoa. Take it way down low. Here we go. Rise up this morning, smile with your eyes, sing it loud. Three little, I can't hear you. Big drama. Come on now. Say, a melody. Sing, this is my message to you. Come on now. Sing it up. I want you to sing it on this side. I can't hear you. Sing it like you mean it. 'Cause I know you can do better than that. Sing it up. I want to hear it all the way in the back. Sing it up. I don't believe you. Sing it up. One more time, everybody all around. Sing it up. I know you can get louder than that. Sing it up. One more time all around. Sing it up. out of me because I know everything's going to be all right. Yeah, you know? So one more time, it's an honor and a privilege to be here with you all. Before we get into this next song, I want you to show some love and give it up for the king of the reggae bass line, for the architect behind Bob Marley and the Wailers. Show some love for Mr. Aston, family man, Barrett. Yeah, you know? The legend lives on, you know? So what about now, Boomtown? We're going to give you your One Love certification. I want to see your one finger in the air like this. In order to become One Love certified, I want you to wave throughout this entire song. We're going to keep it waving. Are you ready to show that you believe in one love? That can't be everybody. I said, are you ready to show that you believe in one love? Music. Here we go. I want you to wave. Woo, 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 woo. Everybody all around. Wave dance. Wave dance. All right. Sing along. One love. One heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. We give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Say, let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, let them all pass on then. Dirty remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for that hopeless sinner who has hurt all mankind just to save his son? Believe me, one love. What about one answer? What about let's get together and feel alright? Sing one love, one heart. We give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Sing, let's get together and feel alright. One more thing, now let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. When a man comes, there will be no tomb. Have pity on those whose senses grow thin. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. Say, one love. What about the one answer? What about the let's get together and feel alright? Say, one love, one heart. We give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Say, let's get together and feel alright. Everybody waving their hands. Come on, move down, press your fading. Keep on waving. Everybody, come on. It's all about the One Love certification, y'all. Come on. All the way in the back. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. When a man comes, there will be no doom. Have pity on those whose senses grow thinner. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. Say, one love. What about the one answer? What about the good? I want to see everybody waving. Come on. Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. We give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. And we say, let's